How you doing and welcome to the channel. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Millscraft saw guide, fit different saws from jigsaws to reciprocating saws. Circular saws. My bad. Ain't my day. Just is not my day. Well, I'm gonna use these because I feel like using them. Use my whisk, made in the USA. Just to open it, who cares? If it can cut tin, this plastic is water, is butter to it. Let's get into this. And see, I know it's not for this, but you know what? I don't care. I don't want to use my scissors because these blades can handle this. And I have two of them, so two brand new ones. I had this one and another one in the package I didn't even take out. Didn't even open it. Here we go. What I'm going to do, hold on a second, let's pause there. There we go. I'm going to open this thing up now. I'm used to regular saw guides, so this is going to be a little bit of a different one for me. As you can see, it comes with the attachments for your saw. Different sizes to fit different saws. From D, C, B, A, B, C, D. Different sizes. And supposedly has a release from what I was told. Yeah. See right off. I don't have my circular saw right now. I can get it in a moment and pause this video. But I do have my scale. I gotta see which one fits before I put it in. Oops. This one? Yes. That was my main goal because I had one, but it didn't fit, and I was like, I don't want to go through the struggle of buying and returning because it don't fit. This is universal. So. All right. This is, man. Wow. There. This one's pretty tough. Comes with instruction manual, which, you know, we don't use as guys. But it's here. If I need it, I'll keep it as a reference. I always keep things as references. Comes with your instruction books. The link in the description of where to buy this. You can get these at Home Depot, anywhere. Right? I happen to got put this up at Home Depot, so me and my guest pick it up. That's where it will be in the link. I'll give a link to maybe Amazon as well if it's cheaper. All right, so as you can see, it fits. Oh, I never even did a review of this. This skill saw that I got, 4205 NOS, new old stock. This is Bosch era. I never did a review of using it. My God, how I've been behind on YouTube videos, and I apologize. I haven't been, at my best health-wise. Just to let the YouTube world know, yes, I've been vaccinated. I'm good to go for this Rona. I'm not gonna say the word because then I'll get YouTube algorithm on my butt. Don't want that. To all my supporters, to the other YouTubers that support my channel, that make content, thank you guys. Truly appreciate the ones, and you know who you are. Alright? There's all love and respect there. We have a nice community. We help each other. That's the way it should be. Shouldn't be like some people get to a certain level, forget everything, and only just care about getting more subscribers. Don't pay attention to the fans that were there from the get-go. It is what it is. You know, that happens. It's not their fault. There's too many fans to go by. You know, for me, I'll pay attention to the ones that are there from the beginning. The first few. And that's, you know, the rest I'll do my best to interact with as time goes on, as my channel grows. I've had this channel since 2010. I've thrown a few videos here and there. 2016, I took it seriously. I'll tell you guys now. You know, this skill saw right here has, let me get into this. 4.5 amps. It's got 32 strokes. And for people who don't know how to I forgot how to do this. Oh, see? You push up. And you can tilt it. It's a little difficult, but because it's not sturdy. But also this makes for great leveling when it goes back. Alright. Quick insert. Has blades here. This actually came with 2 blades. It's supposed to come with 1. I got this from CPO outlets. I'll do the quick insert. Put the blades. This comes with a blade holder. I'll do the quick insert just to show you guys. As you see, stick it in there like so. Takes U-shank and T-shank blades. And it has a guide. Oops, to make sure it's leveled. And fellas, it's in. Ladies and gentlemen, it's in. And that's to keep the blade going. Has a trigger. I did have an old Ryobi years ago, blue. Burned the damn thing out. It had a trigger like this, but it was all blue. And, you know, I was looking at this since 2008, I would say, roughly. And I got my sander, my skill sander. It was one of the last times I was in Lowe's. Maybe, no, 2010 was the last time. I was looking for grill parts because Home Depot didn't have jack at the time. For some odd reason, right ones I wanted. So I was in Lowe's. Night Dog is a winner. Put this blade back. Comes with 2. Comes with this aggressive metal blade, which is weird, and it's made by Vermont. Which, by the way, Bosch owns Vermont. This is Vermont too. Comes with metal and wood. And technically in the manual it only comes with 1, which would be the wood. And I put them in here and I stored them. I have Bosch and Bosch and DeWalt blades, along with some older ones from True Value. So this will fit right here like so, as you can see. As you see, it fits. So if you got a Skill or Bosch, this will fit. This will fit any brand. Alright. And I still got my I still got my rigid R8637 brushless impact driver. Except for I use a DeWalt bit. You know, I'm not a sellout, but you know, rigid, step up your game and make some proper driver bits. Your parent company's TTI. I mean, not TTI. You can tell TTI will manufacture it. They make bits from Milwaukee. They can use that quality instead of Ryobi quality for the bits they did have, which is trash. But that's for another debate. Not going to get into them here. Anyway, hold on to a second while I get into this. Here, for a second, I'm back. Trying to set this thing up. My Husky 6-inch clamp, all metal clamp. Trying to get this thing going. Trying to make sure it's stable. That's about all that's going to be a problem. Alright. Pause this for a second. I decided to go with a DeWalt 6 TPU fast cut blade. Brand new. This will cut through the wood like butter, but it's not going to be perfect. It's going to be rough. I'm going to use my sander. Bear with me a minute. As you can see, I have Bosch. I had these Ace 12 TPI wood. They call these scroll saw blades. So two of those. I had those for years. I had DeWalt. Metal cutting in the CLC bag. I keep my blades in here. Here's the DeWalt metal. These are good if you want to cut metal. I wouldn't recommend it with that jigsaw, but you know, it will do it if you need it. So I have them because it's just basic. But these are wood cutting Bosch blades, 6 TPI. But they're good. You know, they will do the job. I think these are made. Let me see, these are made. Made in Switzerland. So these are not garbage. Not no Chinese. No offense. Like everything else, but these are made in Switzerland. It could be made here or Switzerland, I think. You know, Germany, that's good quality. Alright. This ain't gonna be a perfect cut. I'm not using that guide, but for hell's sake, man. For hell's sake, I'm doing this, alright? I'll get my safeties on. Because you gotta have safety first. And do no cuts without glasses. Let's get into this. just like butter. Just like my old Ryobi back in the day. And I've used every brand in existence, corded at least. Cordless never. Last time, you know, I don't know. Back then, I didn't trust them. The ones that were out, there were a few. They weren't that powerful. They were just kind of weak. This one, whew, right through it like butter. Well, this concludes today's power tool video. All right, head on over to Acme Tools, Tool Nut, and links will be in the description. Head on over also to Ohio Power Tools. All right. Peace out.